Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Welcome back to day 9 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got another great prize for you today. But before I get to that, why did the gingerbread man go to the doctor? Well, he was feeling a little crumby. On the 9th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new HDMI Matrix. That's right. It's from our good friends at Orei, and it's a 4x2 matrix. Now, what does that mean? Well, an HDMI switch has one input and multiple outputs, or multiple inputs to a single output. A matrix has multiple inputs and multiple outputs. So what this allows you to do with this beautiful device I have right here is you can connect up 4 different devices, maybe a computer, a game console, a laptop, whatever you want to connect up, and you can connect 2 monitors to it. And then with these 2 buttons on the top, you can decide which of those inputs is sent to which of those outputs at any given time. It's incredibly easy to use. And the best part is, it also comes with a remote control, so you can set this up in your media center and switch between all of your HDMI devices just by pushing a button from the comfort of your couch. It's a wonderful product. It supports 4K ultra high definition media content, and it's also ARC compatible, so it's got everything you could possibly want in an HDMI switch. And this is actually a matrix, so it's better than a switch. Anyway, the contest couldn't be simpler. Down below, you'll find some comment section. In there, you'll see a link. Click that link. It'll bring up a form. That form will ask for your email address and your YouTube username, and we'll only collect those so we can pick a winner at the end of the 7-day contest. Now, after 7 days, we won't look at the names. We'll pull a name out at random, and we'll send you an email saying, hey, good news, you won the Orei product, and it's a fantastic product. Please send us your shipping address. We'll put this thing in a box, and we'll send it right off to you. No charges for the shipping, no strings attached, no shenanigans. And I say every time, you could live anywhere in the world. I don't really care. I love all continents. I love all towns. I know I've been picking on the States a lot. I picked on New Zealand yesterday. I think today I'll pick on Australia a little bit. There's a place in Australia called Nowhere Else. Nowhere Else. And I think they walked out there and said, this place looks like nowhere else, which sounds so nice. I can't wait to get out there and take a look at that area. Now, Australia is kind of an interesting place because that's in Tasmania. Now, when I was a kid, we used to watch a lot of cartoons on Saturday morning, and I had a favorite character on those Warner Brother cartoons, the Tasmanian Devil. So I'm really enjoying this Tasmania reference. They also have a cave in Australia, which I think is great. They named the cave, well, it wasn't there last year. That was the name of the cave. So apparently somebody walked up to a wall. There was no cave. They came the next year. There's a cave. They said, well, that wasn't there last year. So that's going to be the name of the cave. Anyway, I love those kind of wacky names. And good on you, Australia. It's a great country. I've been there a bunch of times. They have wonderful people, salt of the earth people. Just laugh all the time when you're in Australia. It's a great country. Anyway, you could live there, nowhere else Australia, and we'll send it to you. We'll get it to you, I promise. Anyway, enter the contest. Incredibly easy to enter. Now look, we're at 9 days. We've only got 3 more days coming, and I've got some cool prizes. The last 2 days in particular are going to be amazing. So if you haven't entered the contest up till now, go back. Some of them are already aged out, but the ones that are still active, enter those contests because we're giving away a lot of great prizes. You're definitely going to want to win these, and nothing makes me happier, like I say every time, than putting a product in a box and sending it off. It's the holiday season. Everybody's having a good Christmas. We want to send you a really nice prize. So enter the contest and we'll get it out to you right away. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I say this a lot too, what are you waiting for? We've got so many contests still to come. You'll want to know about that. So when we post the clip, you've got a little ding on your phone and you'll know to check the channel and enter that contest for that particular day. So that's pretty much it for today. This is a beautiful product. Orei's a great company. We've worked with them a lot throughout the year and they're just a wonderful group of guys. So thank you very much, Orei, for donating this product for the giveaways. Somebody's going to be really happy to get their hands on this. I use this product and I love it a lot. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.